Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out these haircut transformations. So the first one starts off with someone going from a brunette to a blonde. So the stylist takes things a step further and trims her hair down into a bob. She has a beautiful middle part with this, as well as curtain style bangs. Gorgeous. She definitely looks good as a blonde. And then we move into a more dramatic transformation. So she started off with mid-back length hair. Her hair is placed in the ponytail, so you know the hair will be donated, and the hair is then cut into a bob. So she decided to get rid of the blonde and go with this brunette color. Gorgeous, quite a dramatic transformation. She went from long blonde hair to short and brunette. So then we move into another bob transformation. So the stylist is going quite short with this particular bob. Looks like she also added some bangs in the front. So she has darker roots and nice curtain style bangs. And of course she added some waves. So we are now going to check out just a couple of trendy hairstyles. So first up we see this beautiful blonde bob. This one comes to around neck length. And then we see a quick hair transformation from long to a bob. And then we go from long to a pixie cut. Love the overall shape with this one. And then we see another bob haircut. This is definitely French girl style. And then we see another bob transformation. Gorgeous classic bob featuring the off-center part, and then we see this gorgeous burgundy bob. This is absolutely breathtaking. I love this color in her complexion. It really just warms up her skin. And then we see a curly transformation, so she ended up getting a curly shaggy cut complete with bangs. And then we see a mini French bob. So if you guys haven't done so already, don't forget to like today's video. It really helps my channel out. If you are loving any of these hairstyles, and of course you want to make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss a hair video. So far this bob is looking really good. It looks like the stylist kind of modeled her own self for this cut, because you can see that she also has a French girl mini bob. Very nice. She kept her natural wavy texture. Stunning with the red lip. Gorgeous. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time.